So I'm going to put this on to see if it actually works. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm opening it up. Oh, it has a pump. So let me take off my glasses. I usually put my makeup on with my fingers. I have a makeup brush, or I have one of these. I'll bring it out. I don't use it. I like to smooth it with my fingers. I haven't used this before. They say put water on it. I want to try it how I normally put on my makeup, so that's what I'm about to do. So we're gonna leave this in this bag, and I'm just going to put some on my fingers. And they say that it has grapeseed oil in it. I hope this works. I'm going to clip my hair back. I don't know why I didn't do that beforehand. Oh Lord. They say it oxidizes, so that means that it changes colors. It has a nice smell. It feels good going on. Now, I don't know. I'm looking like Willy Wonka. Is it Willy Wonka? That orange face. I'm gonna see. I hope they have a good return policy. I don't know. I don't know. So it's a very light, like a very light. So I'm about to let this sit for a second. I have my little wipes, baby wipes, because this is my hand. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. Granted, I can zhuzh it up with my own makeup, but let's see. I'm taking it back if it's not the right color. But give me a minute. I'm gonna let it set and oxidize or do whatever it's gonna do. Then I'll come back. So I still feel like it's not the right color. So what I'm going to do, I'm taking it back. I'm taking it back, but I'm going to zhuzh it up a little bit. So this is not a complete fail. Like, I have makeup in order to get this back on the right track. I'm going to take my Studio Fix. Dull it down a little bit. I'm still looking orange, I feel. Let me know what you guys think, if this is a good match or not. I don't know. Again, I don't even have on my glasses. I may not. This may just be, I mean, it looks fine now that but I had to add something to it. I just want to be able to not add anything to it. Like, I don't have to add anything to this. Okay, so next I normally get my bronzer, a mess. I have a super simple makeup routine. This bronzer from MAC for my cheeks. I usually use the same brush, so I'll use this brush or this MAC brush, but both interchangeable. And then I have this e.l.f. brush that I might use if I don't use this one, but this is the CoverGirl brush that came with the CoverGirl bronzer. So if I'm wanting to be fancy, I will do so I did my eyebrows off camera while I was waiting for it to kind of set. It still looks dark, you know, like my face. I think because I haven't gotten a lot of sun, but I like the way that the foundation feels. I probably just need a different color. And then I can't wait to see how it looks on pictures, because you'll be able to tell right here, because I'm lighter here, but I'm a brown skinned girl, so I see why the color works on certain parts of my body, you know. I just don't want to be looking crazy with the makeup, you know. But yeah, I think that's it. I'm going to, I don't have to put on anything else. I can put on some mascara and that's it. And this is Long Length and Volume. This was a gift. Thrive Cosmetics. And so it's liquid lash extension mascara. So I've used this once. It worked pretty well. I have some old mascaras, but I don't want my eyes to, or my eyelashes to be any kind of way. I think this one is new, but I got a hack for you. If you want to use your own lashes and not get lash extensions or get strip lashes, just use two separate mascaras. So I use the Maybelline 1x1 Volume Express. And then I also use the Maybelline, the Mega Plush Volume Express. So one lengthens and spreads them out, and the other one makes them more voluminous. So put one on first, let it dry. One on first, let it dry, then go in with the other one, and then your lashes will look better than they already do. Like, my lashes aren't too short, so I don't care. And then I wear glasses, so I don't want my glasses, my lashes bumping up against my glasses. But yeah, so I use these are old. I'm not about to crack them open, but this is new, and as well as I think that this is new, but I'm not going here. I'm just gonna try this. I've used it once. I don't know. And I'm not putting a lot of time into this. This is just kind of like a quick makeup thing. I think you can do this in about 5 minutes. That's the kind of makeup I like to do. I don't want to spend hours on makeup. I'll let somebody else do it for that. You know what I'm saying? But I can do a 5-hour, you know, or an hour makeup, but I just choose not to. More natural look, like the makeup, no makeup look. But I'm about to put on some lips, so I'm gonna try this Quit lip color from Fenty. I might go ahead and keep this because it's looking better and better. Okay. Okay. Is this a vibe? Is this a look? Is this a look? It's looking red. It's looking red. The makeup is looking red or orangey. It's looking orange. It's looking orange. I like this lip color. It's different. Is it red? Anyway, let me know if this is a fail. I need to go out in some light, some sunlight. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you've tried Fenty Beauty. I might be taking this jank back. Not taking this back. But where is she? Yeah, I don't know if this is my color. It's in 400. Not sure, sis. Not sure. So I'm gonna take some pictures, leave them on the screen, and let you know how this works, or judge it up with some of my other makeup. I need to tone the orange down. I need to tone the orange down. So how do you like the lips though? That's different, huh? It's different.